Guys, just look at this. I made $10,000 trading, and that too in just 1 month. Now, before you think this is some clickbait, hear me out. I'm not a Wall Street guy, I'm not a millionaire, I'm just someone who started from zero and learned how to trade smart. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact process I used step by step so you can start trading profitably in 2026, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll know how to pick your market, read price trends, manage your risk, and build a simple but powerful trading strategy. So, stay till the end, because what I'm about to show you could literally change how you look at money and trading forever. Let's start with a bit of reality. Trading in 2026 isn't what it used to be. Back in the day, people relied only on news and gut feeling. But today, it's all about data, AI tools, and market psychology. The good news is, beginners have more opportunities than ever. With the right knowledge and mindset, anyone can trade. But here's the truth. Most people lose money in trading because they treat it like gambling. They jump into random trades, follow social media signals, and expect overnight profits. If you want to win, you have to treat trading like a skill. Just like learning guitar or playing basketball, you need practice, discipline, and patience. I spent months learning charts, failing over and over, but every failure taught me something. And once I built a simple system that worked, everything started to change. So if you're serious about learning to trade, take notes. I'm about to give you the exact roadmap. Step 1, you have to understand the market you're in. There are mainly 3 big trading markets. 1, stock market, where you buy and sell shares of companies like Tesla, Apple, or Nvidia. 2, crypto market, where you trade digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana. 3, Forex market, where you trade currencies like the US dollar, euro, or yen. Now, don't try to learn all 3 at once. That's a rookie mistake. Pick one. Maybe crypto if you like fast moves, or stocks if you want something more stable. In 2026, the markets are driven by algorithms and bots. Prices react to data within seconds. So your job isn't to predict the future. It's to understand behavior. Learn what moves your market. For example, in crypto, news drives emotion. In stocks, company earnings or economic data cause shifts. In Forex, interest rates rule everything. If you understand what's moving the market, you'll know why a price is going up or down, and that's your edge. Now let's talk about the tools. Trading in 2026 is all about having the right platform and data. If you're trading stocks, use TradingView, Thinkorswim, or Webull. If you're trading crypto, try Binance, Coinbase Advanced, or Bybit. And if you're into Forex, go for MetaTrader 5 or CTrader. I personally use TradingView for all my analysis. It has clean charts, tons of indicators, and now it even integrates AI-based alerts. But listen, the platform isn't the magic. You are. These tools are only as powerful as the person using them. Start by learning how to read candlestick charts. Understand what a green candle means, what a red one means. Learn support and resistance. Those are the invisible walls where price bounces or breaks. If you're completely new, spend 2 weeks on a demo account. That's your practice ground. No real money, no pressure, just learning. The more time you spend studying charts, the sharper your instincts will get. Alright, now we move into the fun part, building your trading strategy. Here's where most beginners go wrong. They try to copy strategies they don't understand. But your strategy should match your style. For example, I'm a trend trader. I follow the direction of the market. If the market is bullish, I ride the trend up. If it's bearish, I go short or wait for the next setup. One simple and powerful method I use is the EMA crossover strategy. I use the 9 exponential moving average and the 21 exponential moving average. When the 9 crosses above the 21, I buy. When it crosses below, I sell. It's not magic, but it gives you structure. Add a volume indicator to confirm your entries. Then, define your plan. What's your entry point? Where's your stop loss? What's your target? Here's my golden rule. Risk small, win big. If you risk $1, aim to make $2 or $3. That's how you grow your account, one trade at a time. And remember, one good trade is better than 10 random ones. This is where 90% of beginners fail: risk management. Let's be honest. No matter how good your strategy is, you will lose trades. Everyone does. Even the best traders lose 40% of the time. So the question isn't, how do I avoid losing? The real question is, how do I survive losing and still come out profitable? Here's my formula. Never risk more than 2% of your total account on a single trade. Always use a stop loss. Never move your stop loss out of fear. If you have $1,000, you should only risk $20 per trade. That way, even if you lose 5 times in a row, you still have enough to keep trading. Also, don't overtrade. 2 or 3 high-quality trades per day are enough. It's not about quantity, it's about precision. Protect your capital, it's your lifeline in trading. Now let's talk about something that separates average traders from successful ones: mindset. Trading is 20% strategy and 80% psychology. Your brain will be your biggest enemy. When you win a trade, you'll feel like a genius. When you lose, you'll doubt everything. But the real pros stay calm. Win or lose, here's what helped me. I stopped chasing perfect trades. I focused on perfect discipline. I followed my rules no matter what. I used to revenge trade, meaning after a loss, I'd try to win it back immediately. That always ended badly. So train your mind to accept that losses are a part of the process. Think long term. You're not here to win today. You're here to win the year. Once you're consistent, it's time to scale. Start small, but even $100 or $200 is fine. Focus on learning, not earning. Once you start hitting consistent profits for a few months, you can increase your capital. Use compound growth. If you grow 5% per month, you'll be amazed at what happens after a year. And yes, you can automate parts of your trading with AI tools in 2026, but remember, tools don't replace knowledge. Grow slowly. Let your consistency speak louder than your excitement. Alright, let's wrap it up. You've just learned how to start trading in 2026 from scratch, step by step. Understand the market, learn the tools, build a strategy, manage your risk, master your mindset, and grow steadily. If I can make $10,000 in 1 month without a fancy degree or big investment, you can too. It just takes focus, patience, and a strong will to learn. So, here's what I want you to do. Don't just watch this video. Go open a demo account, start practicing today. The best time to start trading was yesterday. The next best time is right now. If you found this valuable, drop a like, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell because in my next video, I'll break down my exact trading setup that I use daily to find winning trades. Let's make 2026 your most profitable year yet. Let's do this together. Guys, if you found the trading strategies I shared helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, Hubert Blaine AI. And if you're a student who wants to make money from home, then click on this video right here, because I've shared 7 proven ways students can earn a side income online. So go ahead, click the video now, and as always, thanks for watching.